Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Paul from Geeky Stuff, and my cute little helper here, Colby. He wanted to be in this video because he wants to know what we've got in this Super Loot box. This company reached out to me last week. They're called Super Loot. So on their website, on Super Loot, you can choose a subscription and get a mystery box sent out to you every month. So you can have a geek and gamer mystery gift box, comic, sweets, candy subscription, and a Super Loot mystery gills box, and much more as well.
Now let's open it.
You want to open it?
Front of the box.
So this box they sent out, we have no idea what the theme is or what's in this at all. So should we open it up? Yeah.
Yeah.
And it also says that smashing boredom in the face.
Now let's open it.
Okay. I'll let you do that then. Let me know if you need any help. You've ruined the box.
No, I haven't.
Right, that's it. So look, you open it from here at the bottom. Yeah, look. Right, here we go. Hold on, yeah. Right. Okay, right. Let's see. One thing at a time first, yeah? Right, so first, it is a t-shirt. So when you do order the box or set up a monthly subscription, they do ask you for a shirt size. And this is extra large, some big. What's on this shirt, t-shirt?
A car.
A car. Oh, and it looks like Back to the Future car, doesn't it? A DeLorean.
Yeah.
It's a nice DeLorean Back to the Future car there. Temporal vehicles parked without authorization will be clamped. Okay, that's pretty cool.
No.
Right, next. You're an eager beaver, aren't you? So, just put your hand in there and pick something and get it out. Oh, oh. What's this? That looks like some sort of...
A map.
Ah, it's a poster. It's not a map, but it's a poster of the classic Back to the Future DeLorean. The blueprints. So it shows you the flux capacitor there in the middle as well. This looks like some sort of, maybe some classical movie theme box.
Okay.
Right, put your hand in there again. So that's two items.
Oh, that's something.
Oh, alright.
Oh, I'm collecting them. I'm collecting them.
Are you?
Yeah.
When?
Today.
Alright, okay. Oh, you're not collecting them? Do you want to start collecting them now?
Yeah.
Okay. This,
I'm collecting that one.
what are they called? Pop toys or pop movie toys. This is
No,
the
pop figures.
Pop figures. James Bond 007 pop figure. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
There's loads of that.
And on the back there as well, from Goldfinger, the other characters and stuff you can get on there. That's pretty cool. Right, you ready to sneak your hand in again?
There's something else.
Oh,
A puzzle.
a puzzle, yeah. Daddy's favourite movie of all time.
Yeah.
The Matrix.
Mine too.
Have you seen The Matrix? I don't think you have. Right, look. A 300-piece puzzle, The Matrix. Hold on a minute. Jigsaw pieces.
Yeah.
That'll take ages. We'll do that another day. So that's pretty cool. Jigsaw puzzle. Next.
Another one.
Oh wow.
Skeleton.
Half-scale endoskull. This, the Terminator. Terminator Genesis. Half-scale endoskull. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Let's open it up, shall we?
Yeah. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's see if it turns on.
Oh wow, look at that.
Let's see if it turns on.
I don't think it turns on. I think it's just like a decoration, isn't it?
Yeah, for Halloween.
That looks pretty cool, doesn't
Maybe
it?
it's for Halloween.
Possibly.
Yeah.
I thought that was a power on button there at the top.
Yeah.
It's not.
The smell.
Hmm.
Let me smell.
Right.
Yeah.
So this
Yum.
is the Terminator Genesis. Right, ready? Go in. Oh, what's this? Look. Jurassic Park.
Oh, no, for that.
Let me show the camera, look. Jurassic Park 25th anniversary coin. Limited edition coin. What's it say?
No.
Embossed on both sides. Go on then. Can Daddy go into the box next and get something?
No.
No, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's in it's in plastic lot. Let's have a look. You'll see T-Rex on there.
I'm collecting them now.
Right, I think there's only one more thing in here left. Or a couple more things. Right, we'll get them out. And that's the empty box. Yeah, so the theme, mystery box, classic movies. And there are some classic movies in that box. And looks like a little poster here as well.
Yeah.
Star Wars Rogue One. So that was the complete unboxing. You want to have a quick look at that, do you?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm glad.
Hold on. I think you're supposed to keep these in the boxes though, aren't you? There he is, James Bond. Super cool. Oh, that's actually a photo. Star Wars Rogue One. So that's it, guys. That was my first Super Loot unboxing. Got some very cool things in there. Check the website out, guys, if you want to take a look. So that was it. Did you enjoy it, Colby?
Yeah, but this isn't a wobbly head.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Right, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment below if you have any questions or anything.
His head can move.
Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.